Understanding Neville Goddard's perspective can be a life-changing decision for you. According to him, your specific person's desire for you may surprise you. But how is this possible? Goddard's teachings suggest that your inner world shapes your reality. You have the power to change this narrative. By shifting your perception and fostering positive thoughts, you can transform your relationship. And in this video, we will explore how Neville Goddard's principles can empower you. Understanding Neville Goddard's perspective can be eye-opening. According to him, your specific person desires you more than you might realize. This might seem surprising or even unbelievable, especially if you're facing challenges in your relationship. Goddard's teachings emphasize the idea that the external world is a reflection of your inner state. In simpler terms, your thoughts and feelings shape your reality. If your specific person isn't reaching out, Goddard suggests it's essential to examine and control your inner world. You are the director and creator of your inner state, which in turn influences your external world. This means you have the power to shape your experiences. While this might sound complex, at its core, it's about recognizing your control over your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Consider your body, thoughts, feelings, and actions. Are they under your control or someone else's? According to Goddard, they are unquestionably within your control. This realization is crucial because, if your external world mirrors your inner world, you are, in essence, the creator of your experiences. It's not about some mystical or magical technique. It's about acknowledging and embracing your role as the creator of your reality. This understanding may feel weighty, but it empowers you to shape your life and relationships. Neville Goddard encourages you to see everything in your world as a response to you. People, according to his philosophy, are messengers reflecting back aspects of your inner world. Your friends, parents, and even strangers are conveying messages about who you are. If your specific person seems distant or unresponsive, Goddard would argue that this is a reflection of your inner state. By taking charge of your thoughts and feelings, you can change this reflection and influence your external reality. It's a transformative concept that puts you in the driver's seat of your own life. Neville Goddard's teachings offer a perspective that challenges conventional thinking about relationships and the external world. By recognizing your control over your inner world, you become the creator of your experiences. Applying this understanding may lead to a shift in your relationship dynamics as you actively shape the reality you desire. According to Neville Goddard, your specific person is like a messenger in your life. This might sound big, but it's actually quite simple. It means that your specific person reflects what you think, believe, and feel about them. If you constantly think that your specific person is distant or unresponsive, this thought is mirrored in your external world. For instance, if you believe they don't want to talk to you, your reality might show them behaving exactly like that, being distant or not initiating conversations. Goddard's idea is that your inner world is the director of your external reality. Your specific person is not acting independently. Instead, they are reflecting back your thoughts and beliefs about them. So, if you worry about them not texting or calling you, you might actually be assigning that behavior to them in your inner world. Understanding this concept is like holding a key to change. By taking control of your thoughts and beliefs, you can alter the reflection in your external world. If you want your specific person to be more engaged or communicative, it starts with changing your thoughts and expectations about them in your inner world. Neville Goddard's perspective suggests that what you believe and assume about your specific person influences their behavior. If you constantly worry or assume that your specific person won't reach out to you, you might be manifesting that very scenario. To emphasize this, consider the idea that our world is like a game of beliefs. The gains and losses we experience in this materialistic world are a direct result of our beliefs. Goddard even mentions changing his name to the game of beliefs to highlight this concept. It's about understanding that life is not just happening to you, it's happening through you. Your inner state of being, the thoughts and beliefs you hold, shape the reality you encounter in the material world. This isn't just a theoretical concept, it's something you can experience for yourself. Goddard encourages applying this understanding to your life, and the real impact comes when you witness these principles in action. Personal experience, according to Goddard, is one of the most powerful things in the world. It's through your own encounters and observations that the true impact of these concepts becomes apparent. So, while hearing about these ideas might make an impression, the real transformation happens when you actively apply them and see the changes in your reality based on your beliefs. Goddard is urging us to recognize the power of our beliefs and assumptions in shaping our experiences. Life is not a series of random events happening to you. It's a reflection of what you believe and assume to be true. By understanding and applying this principle, you gain the ability to actively shape and influence your own reality. Your beliefs have a powerful impact on the world around you, shaping your experiences and interactions. As a teenager, you held the belief that you could easily engage in conversations with anyone, and this belief manifested in your reality. The confidence in your social abilities led to a memorable encounter during an 8-hour bus ride. In this particular situation, your positive beliefs influenced the behavior of a fellow traveler, who happened to be a successful advocate representing clients in the Supreme Court. Despite the common expectation that advocates don't usually pay for meals, your engaging conversation and positive demeanor led him to not only cover the food bill for you and your friend, but also exchange contacts for future plans. This real-life experience illustrates Neville Goddard's principle that your beliefs shape your external world. Your inner convictions about your conversational skills didn't just impact your ability to make friends, but even influenced the actions of someone you met on the bus. Fast forward to a different phase in your life, going to the gym and not feeling inclined to engage with new people. This shift in behavior is attributed to a change in your beliefs. Your current belief system, which may be less open to social interactions, is reflected in your external world. This change serves as a practical example of how altering your beliefs can impact your experiences and interactions. The main idea here is that the beliefs you carry within yourself have a direct impact on the experiences you encounter in the world around you. The aim is to emphasize that everyone in your life, including your specific person, acts as a messenger, reflecting what is happening internally within you. If you hold the belief that your specific person is harsh or cold, their behavior will likely mirror these perceptions, creating a continuous cycle. The crucial point conveyed is that change only occurs when you alter the beliefs you harbor about them internally. Manifestation, according to Neville, is not a matter of observing external circumstances and then forming beliefs. Instead, it is about first believing internally and then witnessing the manifestation externally. The metaphor used is that of your inner world being a projector, projecting your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings onto the external canvas of your reality. This visualization simplifies the concept, conveying the idea that your internal state is actively shaping your external experiences. The intriguing statement that your specific person may want you more than you want them introduces a positive possibility. It suggests that changing your internal beliefs can lead to a shift in their behavior towards you. The relatable notion that there are people in the world whose specific person wants them more than they want the specific person creates a sense of universality. It implies that this scenario is not unique, and it can become a reality for anyone. The emphasis, once again, rests on the power of internal beliefs in shaping external experiences. To experience confirmation that your specific person desires you, a transformation within yourself is essential. Altering your perception of this individual can significantly influence their behavior towards you. Many individuals engage in internal conflicts with their specific person by labeling them negatively. It's crucial to remember that this person was once someone extraordinary to you. Surprisingly, some individuals now perceive their specific person as problematic. Despite their previous admiration, they now view them as arrogant, harsh, ignorant, and toxic. To manifest a positive connection, it's imperative to change this negative mindset. Shift your feelings, thoughts, and beliefs about how they treat you. Initiate change by reevaluating your self-perception. Intentionally create new thoughts and repeat them to solidify positive beliefs. Through this repetition, these thoughts will manifest in your life, bringing about the desired changes. Adjust your thoughts about your specific person, but avoid placing them on an unrealistic pedestal.